Operation of timing chain. This is the left hand side of the cylinder head. Always mark the arrow. And the right hand side of the cylinder head, this line. Always align. So don't confuse. There are two timing marks here. This is the right hand side, left hand side of the chain, and the right hand side of the chain. This is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which is there is engine misfiring before, and I did the head, I pulled down, replace engine bulb and bulb setting. Now the engine is started. So after the repair, procedures what you will do. First of all, if there is a check engine light, you have to erase the port codes. Okay? If you look at the data, there is no engine misfire monitor status. Now it's in progress. So nothing. All are zero. Before cylinder number 2, there is a port counter. Now all zero. Second you will do is go to a special function. Okay, press cam crank, start the engine, cam crank relearn in progress. So completed. Okay, so you have to go to the exhaust spacer 2 cleaning. Press oil debris. Okay, spacer 2 cleaning complete. Go to intake spacer 1. Spacer 1 cleaning complete. Intake spacer 2. Press OK. Spacer 2 cleaning complete. The last one is that one, exhaust. Press OK. Completed. Yeah? Okay. Now you have to do the learn electronic throttle control. Press learn throttle voltage accelerate pedal position. Engine must not be running. I have to switch off the engine. Yes. Setting default values. Press and hold accelerator pedal to the floor. The throttle must be held to the floor. Press OK when ready. Okay. Accelerator pedal, pull to the floor. Press OK. Just wait the counter. Just hold the pedal. Follow the instructions. Release accelerator pedal and press OK. Release and press OK. Just wait the counter. It will say successful or completed. Learn complete. Okay? Finish. Then you may check the pole codes. No pole codes detected. Okay guys, thank you. Engine is started. Engine misfiring is no longer exists.